little bit that I have to bring to the car. Damn. This is a little bit that I bring to the car. Everything else was packed the night before, so this is just brushes, brush belt, kind of a thing. And so now your girl is heading over to the venue. I'm gonna be working on the client until from like 9 to maybe like 11, and then from 11 to 1 I'm touching her up like throughout her day, and then I'm free. So, ooh, the lighting is terrible. My hair looks terrible. All right, it's been a long weekend. See you guys in a bit. As you can see, everything's packed in here. All right.
Bleeding away on my face.
What day?
I was going to town. The shaver.
See? And it don't hurt, right?
No. I was going to town.
Listen, ain't nothing wrong with it.
what I would not do. Make me do for love what I would not do.
I'm doing something. Alright, ready? And... Do you love it? Yeah.
I like it.
So good.
Yeah.
It's smooth. Girl, you skin is smooth. 1, 2, go ahead. Turn it all the way. Now turn to the other side. And then look back at me. And that's a wrap. We are on our way home. It is 1:03 and that's it. See you in the car. All right, y'all. Let me put this lime down. We are done. It is now 1:16. I think this is the first where I was actually, what? I don't even know what I'm saying. This is the first where I was actually done with my bride earlier than I was supposed to, which was great. We had time to spare on the makeup and we had time to spare even with the touch-up. So I was there with her until like 1. And I walked out and it was like 1:03. By the time I rolled everything up, put it in the car, you know, then that was that. Skin is like, I don't know, it's been reacting, but this has been the weekend. So now this portion of the weekend is for me. I can't believe how terrible my lighting is right now. This portion of the weekend is for me where I will try to go home and edit all the stuff that I've done this over the course of these past 3 days. And I do have to get stuff, so prepare for the week. And I think I might even have a little bit of work to do for work for the week. So, girl, we're not busy. We still busy. I don't know. I'm not tired, which is good. And I think it has to do with a lot of the... Sorry, I'm shaking. I think it has to do with the fact that I've been drinking coffee all day. So, yeah. I did sleep late last night, but it's okay. Maybe it'll hit me tomorrow morning when I'm actually at work, but... yeah, your girl looks dull in this lighting, but we'll see how this turns out when we actually are editing. Alright, my loves. I'm about to hit it. Hit the road. Let's put the stuff in the GPS. Let's put it in there. Store. Gonna take me 17 minutes to get home, which is cool, but I think I'm gonna stop at the grocery store for a little bit to pick up stuff for the week, and then I gotta stop at my sister's place to grab the rest of my things that I had with her because I was spending the night at her place, and then I can go home. So to Whole Foods or ShopRite, where should I go? Yeah, I'm gonna go to ShopRite. And as far as food, I don't know, I'll think about it later. Alright, y'all. See ya.